Hello guys, this is Dovgan. Welcome to my channel. So recently I hit 1000 subscribers, so I decided to make videos based on your suggestions. So there is Idol Eyes 84 who said, "This is helpful, would love to follow you in an exercise routine with music doing this." That was a comment below one of my popular video, Perfect Frame in 15 minutes. So, Idol Eyes 84, let's do this, and all others too. So on that exercise that I will show you, stretch to the side, and maybe you will think that it's mostly for girls. It's for both of you. Just when men do this exercise, he doing everything less. So I want to say this in advance in order not to interrupt our exercise routine. Guys, this exercise will be divided in two pieces. One section is when you do your exercise on your own, and second section when you do exercise together in a couple. Each exercise will be 25 seconds because I like golden middle between 20 and 30 seconds. Let's go. So here we put chin down, up, side and side. Make sure that when you put chin down, your head doesn't go forward. You really try to tuck only your chin and stretch top of your head backwards. And when you go to the side, relax your shoulders, don't pick them up, and feel that only your neck is working. Okay, we move to the next one. We stretch neck our sides, so put your fingers on the sides, relax your posture first, and then stretch your neck with using your fingers. Push your shoulders down at the same time. If you wanna look at the technical descriptions, check my video about perfect frame. Okay, we move to the next one. So it's an exercise with a ruler. So you need to put your head forward and then return it to the ruler backward. So we kind of go through wrong position and then right position. So make sure that your tailbone and top of the head on the one line. Okay, next one. I pick up my chin up and return to the straight line. So here, as you can see, when I pick up my chin up, it's wrong position and I crunch my neck behind. So try to make sure that your chin shows the straight line when you return it. The next one, turn your chin to the right and then to the left, and make sure that both eyes still visible, that you're not turning it fully away. This is a good exercise to feel amount of turn, for example when you stay in the promenade or doing some shape. Next one, drop your neck as much as you can and then stretch the other part. And here, drop your neck and stretch the other part. Boys doing kind of less, so they can drop neck fully and then lift it higher. Girls try to drop neck fully and stretch both sides equally, but keep head diagonally as much as they can. Next, you put your arms diagonally, then straighten and keep your neck diagonally. And here. And what you also can do, put your arm, oh, this is for girls, yeah. Put your arms in the frame. For boys, it will be kind of less here. Pum, 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 and less here. For girls, it will be more. Next is my favorite one. We should turn sternum without shoulders. So you can put your arms on the shoulders and make sure that you turn only your sternum. Your chin will go slightly into the opposition. You can try this exercise sitting on the chair on the very end of it. Okay, for the next one, we need to open chest as much as we can and then stretch shoulder blades. Open chest, stretch shoulder blades to the side. Open, stretch. And make sure that your shoulders not going up. Bam, squeeze your shoulder blades and then stretch them to the side. Boom. But keep your chest open. Don't allow your body curve backwards. That's how it looks from the side. When I open shoulder blades, I don't allow to go to that position. So next one we're doing in the frame. We squeeze shoulder blades and then put them down. Boys doing in their frame, girls can do in their frame. Try to squeeze shoulder blades, that's how you open your chest, and then put your shoulders down and they go to this side. Okay, so next what we're doing, we're stretching our arms, then hold a frame, make a frame, and then put shoulders down. The same for boys. Stretch as much, then go to the frame, and then put shoulders down, but we keep that stretch. So we still feel that our elbows go to the side as much as we can. Girls can stretch also head. Next one, we put arms on the chest. We stretch from sternum. Girls can put head to the side. Boys can do it slightly. And we control with our arms that we're not opening our ribs. It's only stretch from sternum. And you can do it as much as you can. And feel boys try to stay straight. So here we put fingers on the side as we did with the neck and stretch side and keep your shoulders down on the sides and relax. Stretch. You kind of separate your body. You put your lower part of the body down and ribs stretching up and relax. So it's very good when you go from wrong position to the right, exaggerate, and can feel the difference. Next exercise just for girls. You can do it on your own or together. We twist our wrists and make sure that our elbows going slightly up and feel the stretch. You can also add sternum twist. Inside. For the next exercise, I put wrist up and down, and then after a couple of times like that, you will switch to the second part of exercise when you pick up elbow up and down. So you see, even when I pick up my elbow, I don't allow my wrist to go up. That's how you can stretch that angle. For the next exercise, gentlemen will need ladies' help. So I explained how to do that right in my first video and where you should feel the stretch. So put arm on top and open man wrist, twist it. Because if you're gonna put it this way, lady won't like it. The next guy, glue wrist and then fingers to a lady's back and start this again. Yes, so he starts with little space like that and then glue and then go further, further and further until he will close fully with his fingers. Next exercise for the wrist suction cup. Here we check that we have really nice connection, that our fingers not going somewhere outside, but we're not squeezing our wrist, and have a nice tone feeling. You can try like that, or you can try in the whole frame, just feeling that wrist. Other one, I know that all style people put fingers like here, but we keep it here and make sure that you're not opening that way. So we kind of put it straight and return, open, straight and return, straight and return. And you can try that in the whole frame. Straight, return, just to feel that your all fingers connected between each other. Guys, I hope you like the video and that is helpful. You can use it and practice and comment below, because as you see, I use your comments for my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.